The Duanwu Festival, as commonly referred to as the Dragon Boat Festival, takes place on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month each year. This year, the festival falls on Thursday, 25th June in the Gregorian calendar. This Chinese festival has a history of more than 2,000 years. On 30th October 2009, it was added to the UNESCO World Intangible Cultural Heritage List. Why do Chinese people celebrate the Duanwu Festival? According to the best-known story, the festival commemorates the death of the patriotic poet and imperial advisor Qu Yuan from the ancient state of Chu, who lived in the Warring States period of Chinese history. Qu Yuan served in high offices in the state of Chu, but when the emperor of Chu decided to ally with the increasingly powerful state of Qin, Qu Yuan was accused of opposing the emperor of Chu and exiled to southern Chu. During his exile, Qu Yuan was in a desperate state. He wandered around the Miluo River and wrote many poems to express his patriotic and melancholic emotions. In 278 BC, the capital city of Chu was invaded by Qin, and Qu Yuan committed suicide by drowning himself in the Miluo River. The local people were full of respect for Qu Yuan. When they heard that he had jumped into the Miluo River, they raced out in their boats to try to save him. But unfortunately, his body could not be found. This is said to be the origin of the tradition of dragon boat racing in the Duanwu Festival. People were afraid that fish might eat Qu Yuan's body, so they dropped the sticky rice balls into the river in the hopes that the fish would eat them instead. This is thought to be why people make and eat zongs during the Duanwu Festival. Before the Duanwu Festival, parents usually prepare perfume patches for their children. They sew little bags with colorful clothes and fill them with perfumes or herbal medicines. Then they string them with silk threads and hang them around their children's necks. Perfume patches are regarded as an ornament, and at the same time, they are said to protect children from evil and disease. The 5 colors used in traditional thread braids represent the Wu Xing, 5 elements, which symbolizes 5 sacred animals associated with the 5 cardinal points. All of them have mysterious effects. They drive away disasters and encourage auspicious opportunities. Qu Yuan represents the current dragon from the east. Red represents the vermilion bird from the south. Yellow represents the yellow dragon from the center. White represents the white tiger from the west. And the black represents the Duanwu tortoise from the north. 5-color thread braids can be given as a gift to congratulate someone or wish them a long and happy life. Realgar wine is a Chinese alcoholic drink consisting of fermented cereals and powdered realgar. Ancient Chinese people believed that drinking realgar wine or sprinkling it around their houses drove away disease and evil, and that realgar was an antidote for all poisons. Nowadays, people no longer drink realgar wine, but some still sprinkle it in every corner of their house.